Hello guys, my name is Saif and in today's video we are gonna talk about Kintone. Kintone is a customizable workplace platform that organizes your team's data, workflows, and conversations in one centralized place for a more streamlined work experience. It also allows you to build whatever application you want from scratch. So let's check how and get started with our tutorial. Here is the interface of Kintone. Now let's press on Apps here on the plus sign. It gives you multiple options to create your new app. You can create it from scratch, you can create it from Excel, you can even create it from CSV and from template file. Let's check how to build it from scratch. Here is the interface. It's very simple. All what you need to do is to just drag whatever element you want in here and edit it. So let's start with text. We can also add, let's see, maybe a checkbox, a drop-down menu. Let's just keep that simple for now and start editing. So whenever you want to add on any element of these, all what you need to do is to just press on the gear here and select settings. Now you can edit the name. Maybe we can choose it name, like I need the user to enter his name. Then it will ask you about the minimum characters and the maximum characters. You can add it, or you cannot add it. So since I need my user to enter his name, I will just press minimum 1 character and maximum 20 character. I don't think there is a name of more than 20 characters. The default value, which will be written in a faded line, which gives the user a guide of what to write in this specific cell. Let's press on write your name and press save. Here are our changes. The name here is what I called name, and the default text is write your name. Next checkbox, I can also edit it from the same place that I edited the previous text. Maybe let's choose the checkbox as gender. Maybe we can insert male. Female. We can also press add and select other. It also asks you about the layout. You can use it as horizontal or you can make them vertical. So if we pressed on horizontal, it will be like that. If we changed it from here, vertical, it will be like that. I prefer the horizontal because it's more compact. And again, it will ask you about the default value, which you can skip, but I will not skip. I will just okay, here it will not ask you about the default value will not be displayed as a faded text, but it will be added as an actual value of the values that you added before. Since I don't want a default value, I want the user to add it himself, I will leave it blank and I will press save. If I chose a default value here, like male, for example, and pressed save, it will always show the check on the male unless you change it. So I don't want it to be like that. I will just cancel it by pressing again and pressing save. Here in the drop-down menu, let's press on the gearbox here and press settings. Maybe let's choose it. Maybe status. Let's write here single. married, and let's add another one, divorced. Maybe we can add widowed and others. Again, I will not place a default value and I will just press on save. So the values are not displayed like gender here, but it's displayed as a drop-down menu. In case you want to duplicate any one of these, you can just press on duplicate, and if you want to delete it, you can press on delete. Now let's just move on to the next step, which is views. Here you can control how your app will look like. So let's press on the plus sign. Here you can choose one of three views, either list view like this, calendar view, or custom view. You can also choose to filter any of your records or to sort your data. So let's just not waste much time on it. Here you can just drag your data and it will show you how it's displayed. Here you can control your graphs and the settings related to them. And finally, here you can control your app settings, whether they are general settings, customization, notifications, permissions, and more. Before activating my app, I need to change its icon. Let's just choose this one. It looks brilliant. And you can write any name you want. Let's just select my first app. By pressing on activate, you are ending and finalizing your application. By pressing on this plus sign, you are running your application. Here it is. It asks you to write your name between 1 and 20 characters. And here it asks you to select the gender, and finally, you can choose your status. After selecting all of these, you can just press on save. Let's try. And press save. Bingo, it's successful application. So Kintone provides you with the easiest way you can use to design your apps, as we have built our app from scratch in today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial and learned a lot from it. For more videos, press subscribe, and thanks for watching.